Hi, good morning. Today's topic is manufacturing process. So I'll introduce you with manufacturing process, what actually manufacturing is. So manufacturing process is the process of conversion of raw material and components into finished goods. A bill of material is a list of constituent items along with quantity details that can be allotted for the manufacture of a certain product, byproduct or likewise. This facilitates immediate reduction in stock of the item automatically, and also it saves time by automatically allocating the components while recording manufacturing entry. This process of listing the items that make up another item is made possible in TelePrime by enabling the bill of material feature. Now they have given me some business scenario. DDL manufacturers are engaged in the business of assembling and manufacturing DDL laptops. For this, the company maintains a bill of materials and record manufacturing journals using the BOM. First of all, I'll create a new company over here. DDL manufacturers 2. Address is number 209 19th Cross, Twin Tower, New Delhi. State will be Haryana. Pin code is 110034. So this way I have created a company successfully. I'll press Ctrl plus A. Now I'll press Ctrl plus F3 to shut down my DDL manufacturers. Now what I need to do now, activate the bill of material. So for activating bill of material, first of all I'll go to create option and will create a stock item over here. Stock item is DDL laptops. I'll create a stock group with the name electronic device. I'll create the units over here, numbers, full form and numbers at the unit quantity code. Now you can see that this set component BOM option is showing over here. If this option is not able to show you here, then you need to press F12 and then you have to enable this option, set component list bill of material in stock item. Alright, so I'll enable this option. Here I'll give the name of the BOM. I'll give the name of the BOM as DDL Pearl Black Laptop Bold. Okay. Now the unit of manufacturing is 1 number, and now I'll create the further items over here. I'll create a stock item over here, display screen. Display screen. It will come under electronic device, numbers. That's it. For the components, if I am creating the stock items related to components, then I don't need to set BOM for each and every component. I will create the BOM only for the main item. Alright, I'll press Ctrl plus A. Now I'll press F12 and define the type of component for DM to yes. It is a component and the unit is 1 number. Now the next item will be hard disk drive. It will come under electronic device, numbers. That's it. It is also a component and the unit is 1 number. Next item is internal battery. It is electronic device, numbers. That's it. It is also a component and the unit is 1 numbers. Then next is keyboard. It is electronic device, numbers, component hai, and the unit quantity is 1. Then is speakers. speakers. Electronic device, numbers, that's it. Component, and how much? 2 numbers. Then last one is touchpad. Electronic device, numbers, and component, and unit is 1. So this is the BOM I have set for this stock item DDL laptops, right? Now I'll go back, and now they have given me a activity over here for accounting of manufacturing process. How we do the manufacturing process in Teleprime. For this, first of all, we will go to vouchers and open my purchase voucher over here. Now, on 1st July 2023, DDL manufacturers purchased the following components from Mohan Traders on credit and store it in Jayanagar Godown. So, supply invoice number is PUR 007. Date is 1st July. Party account name will be Mohan Traders under sundry creditor. I create a purchase ledger over here under purchase account. And now I already have all the stock items with me. First of all, display screen. Quantity is 500 at the rate 1000. Next is hard disk drive. Quantity is 500 at the rate 1000. Next is internal battery. Quantity is 500. Rate is 2000. Next is keyboard. Quantity is 500 at the rate 500. Next is speakers. Quantity is 500 and next rate is 500. Then touchpad. Quantity is 500 at the rate 300. So this way total I have purchased all these components worth rupees 26 lakh 50,000. Alright. So this purchase entry is done now. The next entry is on 2nd July. As per the order received for 50 quantity of DDL laptops, manufactured 50 quantity of DDL laptops. While manufacturing, following expenses and costs were incurred. So for this we will go back, we will go to create and we will go to voucher type and create a voucher over here, manufacturing journal. It will come under stock journal and I'll enable this option, use as a manufacturing journal. That's it. Alright, we'll go back and we'll go to voucher, and now we will press F10 and we will open the manufacturing journal. See, now we have a order of manufacturing 50 quantity. So name of the product is DDL laptops. Quantity is 50. So now you can see that as I mentioned the quantity 50, my all the components beyond bill of material has come over here. Now I need to create a ledger over here, labor charges. This is a direct expense. Labor charges worth rupees 2000. Next is packing charges. Direct expenses also, an amount rupees 1000. So now you can see that my total additional cost is 3000. Effective cost is 2,93,000. Allocation to primary item is 2,93,000, and now you can see that The effective rate for primary item is 5860. Alright, so this way this entry is done. Alright, now at the end, after manufacturing 50 quantity of DDL laptop, now it's time to do the sales entry. So I'll open my sales voucher. Here they are saying that on 2nd July 2023 sold the following stock items to Sona Computers on credit. So they are selling all the DDL laptops of 50 quantity at the rate 10,000. So I'll add a reference number SAL008, change the date to 2nd July. I'll create a ledger over here, Sona Computers, under sundry debtor. I'll create a sales ledger over here under sales account. Now DDL laptop I am selling 50 quantity at the rate 10,000. So now you can see that the amount is 5 lakh. Alright, so this way I have sold all the DDL laptops SAL008 to worth rupees 5 lakh. Alright, so that's it for this topic. So I hope you understood this topic very carefully. So I'll get back to you with some other interesting topics in next video. Stay tuned. Thank you so much.